Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Raunix. This is Ved Burma from Raunix Tech Services, and today we are going to discuss about our Raunix application. Raunix is a single vendor grocery application that is developed by using Laravel backend, MySQL database, and Flutter application and website. So, if you wanna start a single vendor grocery application, then Raunix will be the best option for you. For more detail, you can contact us by the number showing on the screen. And for the features and functionality, let's start the video. So, I'm going to open the source code in Visual Code Studio so I can run the application and website. So, here is our source code, and I'm going to open user app and web panel. As I have discussed, the application and website is developed using Flutter technology. So I am going to run the application by using main.dart file. I am going to run that application firstly in the Chrome. So we will test the website in this part. In the upcoming part, we will test user application and driver application as well. Raunix is available in all the platforms for website, Android and iOS. Let's start that web panel first. It will take few seconds time to synchronize with the source code and it will launch in the Chrome. Here you can see our website is successfully synchronized with that source code, and this is how our website is look like. The sliders can be controlled from the admin panel. All the categories and products also can be controlled from the admin panel. Okay, let's start from that header part. In the header part, we have two headers, subheader that is called top headers. In top header, we have defined dark mode and light mode features. If you want to use website in dark mode, then you can enable it from here, and if you want to use the light mode, then you can disable from here. We have multi-languages option as well. If you want to use multi-languages feature in the website, then you can use from here. Our website and application support multi-languages. And another part is login and registration. If we click on login, then you can log in the website by using your mobile number and the password. You can enable any country from the admin panel for login and registration. If we go for the registration, then you need to fill your mobile number first. Then you need to fill more detail like this. First name, last name, email, password, and that's it. And you can see we have successfully registered on the website. In the profile section, you can find more options like my order, profile, addresses, live chat, coupons, notifications, contact us, shopping bag, privacy policy, terms and conditions, about us, and log out. So let's log out first. Okay, and after log out, it will redirect us to home page. At the home page, firstly at the main header, we have defined our logo. That will be your logo when the website is according to your branding. And second part with categories. You can have unlimited categories and the unlimited subcategories here, like this. After that, we have a slider part. You can add unlimited sliders from the admin. and later on we have defined categories and subcategories part, and after that there are some popular items, and all items and the products can be added to the cart from the outside. You don't need to visit that particular product to add to cart, and you can also increase or decrease the quantity from the outside of the product. You don't need to go to inside the product for that add to cart and the quantity increase and decrease features. You can click on see more button for getting more and more products on the home page. After that, we have defined a footer section. Here you will get your branding name and application links here and some pages, and all other features are like this. So all these features are available in the website. Let me show you the mobile version of the website. So this is our mobile version of the website. You can see the UI and the color combination of the website is very user friendly. You can see the menu part also. Menu part also has amazing UI and color combinations with that amazing animations. This is how our website look like in mobile version. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss about the features and functionalities of the website and the application. If you have any query or question, then you can comment in the comment section, and we will record the upcoming video with that query and question solution. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in upcoming video. Thank you.